Skin Lightening Serum. It is always a good idea to use a natural beauty product, since many commercial ones often contain toxic chemicals. You can easily make Skin Lightening Serum at home, using ingredients that are quite easy to find. Skin Lightening Serum recipe. Take an amber glass dropper bottle, and pour into it 1/2 cup of argan oil, followed by 6 drops of lemon essential oil, and 6 drops of sandalwood essential oil. Cap the bottle, and give it a gentle shake, to combine the ingredients. How to use it. Wash your face with a mild cleanser, that provides a gentle exfoliation, so that the Skin Lightening Serum works at its best efficiency. Apply 5 drops of the serum onto your face and neck, before going to bed, and leave it overnight. Avoid using the serum during the daytime, especially if you plan on going outside, exposing your skin to the sun rays. The reason behind this is that the serum contains lemon essential oil, which is photosensitive, and may lead to the skin damage due to the UV rays exposure. The benefits of the ingredients. Lemon essential oil is a powerful skin lightening agent, obtained from the oily essence found in the lemon peels. Sandalwood essential oil has been used for centuries for skin lightening, in a form of a paste, applied onto the skin. Besides skin brightening, it also has healing properties, and imparts a wonderful smell to the serum. Argan oil is a rare product, which is extracted from the nuts of the argan tree, found in Morocco. It helps make the skin lighter, prevents hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and leaves the skin smooth.